okay? Your husband or wife, whoever, I can live with anybody, Do what I tell you, not what I do. Because I like to do that. I like it. Ask anybody here, 师兄你喜欢吗? Ask anybody here, they like to lead on them, huh? But you don't do that to anybody else, okay? There's a big difference. Oh, my God. I bought some, huh? Microphone. Ooh. Oh my God, can I even talk? I'm hungry. Okay. 啊，不用，我挂在这边就好了。本来这种就是不用拿的啊。Everything okay, guys? I did not expect to see you here. 我没有等待看到你们。他们那个我刚来嘛，东西还很乱很脏啊。我那个带一大堆的动物啊，然后很臭扑啊，也不会很臭。不过我意思说，哎呀，不是说要见客的那种，就是因为他们跟我说，哦，师傅啊，下面我们弄门什么很漂亮。我说我知道啊，我有交代嘛。他说不过你不能想象啊，我们弄很漂亮。然后他又换我下来看看啦，因为我现在那2点嘛，1点多了，1点半，哎，认为大家睡觉，我不敢打搅啊。结果下来看那么多人，好热闹哦。我认为大家睡觉了，还好我下来嘿。啊，利息很多，摸头什么？哦。我告诉你了，带很多动物来是很复杂的了。不过我想到小孩子嘛，他们一定会喜欢看那些什么鸟啊、狗什么的，所以还是不方便，也是很尽量带来。我们急得要死啊！全车都是动物，连我坐那个地方啊，也有一个狗睡在我上那个腿上啊。I brought so many animals. Yeah, it was very inconvenient, and I had to squeeze. Even the seat where I sat, there was a dog on top of my lap, so big one, like 30 pounds. Wow. She thinks she's a lap dog. 她认为她是小 baby 小狗啊，小虫的啊，宠物的啊，还是躺在这边睡得很甜，我不敢动啊。因为他睡是很好，他如果起来想跑动的话，我更麻烦，因为没地方。Yeah, she thinks she's a lap dog, and she slept so well on my lap that I didn't dare to move, because I was happy that she was sleeping. If she wanted to wake up and do something or walk around, I'd be in trouble, because I don't want to put a leash on them in the car, and the car doesn't have any space. The whole thing is for animal, birds, a lot of birds. I adopted some more. And nobody wanted to adopt them back, so I just kept them. And also they told me if I put them in the wild, they would not survive, because these have been with humans too long. They don't know how to take care of themselves anymore. And last time, one tried to run away, one small one like that, small. There you go. And she came back 2 days later, hungry, thirsty. I went all over looking for her. She was so small, but so smart. Come back now. I told her, there's so many trees. I don't know where to find you. So you have to come back. 1.5 days later, she came back, but didn't go home. I stayed next door and quack. I could recognize her. I said, she's here. I sent somebody to go. And really, she was in the bush and like as if nothing happened. When she saw him, she said, quack! Quack! Quack, quack! Like that, And then when she came home, we put the food out, but she didn't eat, like, not hungry. Oh, I've been outside eating restaurant and all that. First class hotel and whatever. And then we say, okay, maybe she's not hungry. So we left, And Lo and behold, I look from the window. She was eating like mad. And when I was so happy, I came out and said, "Oh, you hungry? You eat. This tastes good." And she, we eat nothing no more. My God, I cannot believe it. And then when we run inside, try to look through the hole, and she eat like mad again. So hungry. Yeah. So actually, I was happy. I thought, okay, if God wants you to be free, that's what I want you to be. I would really be happy that you all can be free, but I'm afraid you cannot survive. So if you're free, it's good, go, enjoy. Well, 1/2 day later, she came back. Then we had to take the dog to check up whether she had anything from outside because of wild birds and all that. But nothing happened. Probably she just stood around there all day. No, she went far. Somebody saw her because we put a poster and all that, immediately. And somebody saw and called. She was in that and that area, but very far. She doesn't have such a big wing. How could she fly so far? My God, I can't believe it. But she came back though. Oh, happy. And after she came back, she is so sweet. Oh, so sweet. Always sticks around and doesn't want to go anywhere, So funny. 你们都不懂哈？有没有人懂？有没有人不懂？举手。有没有人不懂？哦，你不懂啊？哎呦，可怜哦。有没有人翻译给他听广东话啦？没关系，国语也可以。可以，哎呦，那讲国语给他听好不好？我讲太久了，等一下又再翻译啊？要翻译吗？不用。Japanese? Dan sudah si kanan nih. Ini. Yo Takamaha. Honda Suzuki. Yeah. What all the master have to do, huh? 我这个没什么意思啦，我讲那些聊的嘛，没什么关系啦，聊天而已，没什么。不过也是有关系啊，就跟我们一样嘛，到处流浪啊，还是回家最好啊，是不是啊？我们认为我们自由自在，结果要饿死了，没什么哈。我们在这从天堂下来，这边什么都乱做。等一下也没什么，什么也没什么啊，多少钱也没什么，大房子也没什么，好车子也没什么，好太太也没什么，好先生也没什么。I said I'm just talking, like talk, small talk about birds, so there's no need to translate so much if you don't understand. For the Chinese and the Japanese want me to speak Japanese. And of course I already spoken, You see, they understand, they're laughing. But I say my talk has nothing to do with spiritual or anything. But it does have, it seems like us, huh? We think we leave the house of the Father and we're free, we come in, we do what we want, we have free will, we do anything we do. And then we end up having nothing, actually. We have a lot of money, so what? And then we have nothing. We have big house, or good wife, or good husband. No, nothing happened. Nothing at all, really important. Huh? And we get older and older, and every day, and we think it's no problem. What is this? Sit together, very warm. 没什么了，这个他们骗人的啦，他们业务那类知道吗？他们没有煮什么给我，所以这样子替代鬼了。Because I did not say that I'm coming. So I did not prepare anything. I also did not prepare anything. My stomach's empty. So this is just some, simple thing. So don't be envious, huh? You have better things there. Anyway, what else did we say? What? Where were we?
Just finish this first.
Meaning of practice. Yeah, it's all already. Nothing else to say now. Thank you， 太甜了，这个是什么东西啊？麦片。啊，你们都知道哈，一看你眼就晓得，吃什么都不明。I don't eat so many things like you do. Every day I have one attendant. He cooks the same thing every day. Even my dogs don't like to eat anymore. 我说你们什么都知道啊，我没吃那么多样东西，说不晓得，不是说不明。明吃，我是明吃，你们是明吃。我说我只有一个斥责啊，斥责经那个开车人物啊。跟那个小房子啊，还有照顾狗，我说天天煮一样，连我狗不想吃。现在煮差不多，狗有点无聊，它不吃了，它不想吃。有时候狗喜欢吃披萨，而不吃它的。Like dogs, they prefer to eat vegan pizza than eat his food. So we just have to put up with it. Anyway, 我们在哪里了？我们讲到哪里了 ？What did I say again? Nice to see you anyway. You're so nice, so kind, so good. So good. So many years, so good. It's still good. Better and better. So faithful, so loyal, and so magnanimous. No, right?
Yes.
Big heart?
Yes.
Yeah. Big head? No. Big heart only, okay. No, you've been so good. I'm very proud of you. I'm very touched. Every time I see you, I know I have to treat you the best, including scolding you. That you like. Some of you like. You know, some people like that. Yeah, if I don't scold them, they think I don't care. Yeah, some kids also like that. You know that, huh? If you have 3 kids, 4 kids are different. Some kids, if you scold them, they don't like. But some kids, if you don't scold them, they think you don't care. You don't love them, and you don't teach them. That's the problem. Yeah, and sometimes your neighbor look with a binocular, see, yeah, see you scolding your kids hard. They say, "My God, what a mother!" Yeah. 我说每次看到你们呢，我说是很感动啊，我就尽量对你们最好的，骂你们也是。有一些喜欢这样子，对他最好是这样子，对你们最好是不一样。我们每个人不一样，对你好，对他也许不好，对他好了，也许对你不好这样，所以没关系啊。我说像小孩一样，你们有2、3个小孩，每个不一样。有一些你骂他一句就不行了，有一些你不骂他，他认为你不在意，你不疼他，就这样，大家不一样嘛所以我尽量对待最好的，呀，因为我说你们这几年都是非常好的，好的人物嘛，好的品质啊。都很爱心啊，很忠心啊，修行都很认真啊，而且随时都师父在哪里都跑啊，心得很忠啊，很忠厚，而且修行都很认真，越来越好，所以看到你们我都很感动啊，我不知道怎么做才最好的，就尽量而已I also don't know what's the best. I never see it as that's the best is enough. I never think it's enough, but I can only do my best. Yes. I always think of you as the best people in the whole universe. I always think how lucky I am, always meeting such good people. So good, so kind. So generous, so big-hearted, so loyal, and so highly spiritual, so intelligent, so wise, and so loving, so much love.